Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can find the Windows product key on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So let's just jump right in and get started. We can do so by using a command prompt. So press Windows plus R for that on your keyboard. And once you do so, just go over and type in CMD and hit enter. And now you can just go over and run this command right here. We'll show you this one right here. So you can just go over and copy and paste this one right here. So just go over and copy it, and once it is copied, you may paste it in the section and just go over and hit enter. And if your PC came with the Windows pre-installed, this will show you your embedded key. So you can just go over and do so. If not that, we can start by using our PowerShell as well. So you can just go over and type in PowerShell and run your Windows PowerShell as an administrator. So run it as administrator. And once you run it as administrator, like this, you just need to go ahead and type in this prompt right here. So you may just go over and type in this prompt, copy and paste it, this one right here. And once it is copied, you can just go over and paste it in the section and hit enter. And that should particularly provide you with your code if it is installed. And even if not this, what we can do is we can just go over and do it from our Windows registry. So press Windows plus R for that, and there just go over and type in regedit and open up your registry editor. Once you access your registry editor, you may just go over and look out for HK local machine, this one right here. So you can just go over and expand it. And within your HK local machine, you can expand it, go to software section, expand this one right here, software. Once software is expanded, you can look out for the Microsoft. So go to Microsoft section, expand it. And once you find Microsoft, you can go over and find Windows. So you need to go over to Windows NT. So find Windows NT, and within Windows NT, look out for your current version. And within your current version, you need to look out for the software protection. So scroll down, find the section for software. This one right here, protection platform. And once you find it up, you can look out for in the section backup, this one right here, backup product key. And this may show you a generic key or a value data. That is depending upon the license type. That is the method you can use in order to look out for your product key as well. And that's it. It depends upon your device as well. Microsoft account digital license won't show a key because the activation is attached to your account. So that's how you find a Windows product key on system. So if you want this, if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.